yakni Mynta jongga khubor la wanras phi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Ka jela Meghalaya hadu ka 8 baje janmit jong ka khat khandai tarik unaitung kaladan lai pu arngut ki bayo thma yo COVID-19. U Dr. Amanwar director ke DHSMI habakran bat gilap thai khubor henne ka khat khandai tarik unaitung ulap pentip bana kini ki lai pu arngut ki bayo thma lai pu wengut ki dei ha is khasil district ha ka ba ar khandai ngut ki dei ki sipai BSF bat arngut ki dei ki riu pat ba bat iwe pat ide riu pat ba haribai district. Da kejingyo thmai kini ki lai pu arngut ke jela Meghalaya hadu bapemi yakni ka khubor kadan South Spa Sanpotli ki positive case, lai spa khandai pnyotli ki active case, South khandai ki recovered case but sangut ki balaklat no. Nagini ki lai spa khandai pnyotli ki active case ka East Khasil district kadan lai spa South Politely ki active case hagaba ki sipai BSF kadan aspa nrupu pratli ki active case ki rupat ba kadan rupu waitli but ki armed forces kadan khat southli. Ka Ribhoi district kadon Life Rutli, ka East Giant Hills kadon Artli, ka West Garo Hills Khatwaitli, ka South Garo Hills kadon Artli, but ka North Garo Hills, East Garo Hills, but ka Southwest Garo Hills kadon Mar Iwe active case.
The total number of new positive cases till 2 p.m. today from yesterday is 32. East Khasi Hills 31, 29 are BSF, and 2 are others. Ribhoi 1. The total number of active cases 397. East Khasi Hills 343. BSF 268. Others 61. Armed Forces 14. Ribhoi District 36, East Giant Hills District 2, West Garo Hills District 11, Southwest Garo Hills District 1, South Garo Hills District 2, East Garo Hills District 1, North Garo Hills District 1. Recovered 49 and deceased till now is 4.